Kung ikaw ang hihiranging binibining ikatlong lahi 2025, paano mo magagamit ang iyong boses at pagkatao upang baguhin ang pananaw ng lipunan sa LGBTQIA+ community? Kung ikaw ang hihiranging binibining ikatlong lahi 2025, paano mo magagamit ang iyong boses at pagkatao upang baguhin ang pananaw ng lipunan sa LGBTQIA+ community?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for that very challenging question. First, if I would be given a chance to become the next Miss Ikatlong Lahi sa POLA 2025, I will use this platform of influence to work with the LGUs and local leaders to have projects that will help, that will promote more activities that will talk about equality and will give more awareness about accepting the LGBT community. Ladies and gentlemen, always remember that we, the member of the LGBT, we are here because we want your love and respect. That is the only thing that we want. That is the only thing that we want from you. And I hope that if I would be given a chance, I would convince this LGU, the schools to have projects that will promote and will have activities that will help other people to understand what is the true meaning of the LGBT community. Thank you.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.